and invited
Me
you.
there, always do what me suck your cat, me do everything, Yes, me
So
there,
yeah,
good.
shout out this. Me, I'm more say a drunk like you there, cause suck your mother. What you never do? You put your stay at Marina. Yeah, see you not on again. What?
So why are you threatening me like this? That me confused
Suck your
about.
mother, big stinking pussy wall.
Again and again, it happening again and again, it happening again and again, again and again and again and again.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Jackier. Me can't believe it happened again. Just like the mother. It's happening again and again. It's happening again and again. Again and again. Jackier and a girl. When it again. Jano Star, me can't believe. So people, the voice note I'm playing at the beginning, it alleged say a Jackier upon it. And Jackier a bud up the female for her vagina. Jano Star, Jackier really again, bro. Remember say people them give password and everybody rally around here, no, brother. Anyway, still, Jada, big up yourself.
Miss execution for rape. Prison I got too good for them. Full time of firm up with mates.
People you know say on a big man level though, a Popcorn are one of my favorite artists.
Boy, any boy rape y'all that them fi dead. 1,000 kill you go chop out your head.
You know what me just a pray? Now what the Popcorn and Jackier did in a one little altercation. And then that song a drop. I wonder if it just coincidence the whole Kanye something go on and him really do that song for Jackier. Anyway, that not have nothing to do with me. Let play my next favorite dancehall artist, Vybz Kartel. Come talk to the people now.
No man not rape.
When you see the girl there, no hold on. No one no. The drip. Hey, let her go. Nobody feel. I coulda never turn a raper.
Turn a raper, too much fat. Girl in a Jamaica. Jano Star. Anyway, wanna know the topic, the main topic we are going to talk about today. Me no think me have to explain no more. That gonna be the main topic. But before we go in at the main topic, we have a new track for make on a year. Well, this track is not necessarily new, you know, but maybe it a go new to the Chaddy Marie TV audience. You see me? So D-Boyz featuring Keys, and the song is entitled Queen. And this song is all about women empowerment. You see me? Treating a girl like a queen, just like the title suggests. Preet, no?
Baby, she my queen. The baddest thing I ever seen. She don't ask for anything.
Ladies, value in yourself. You see me? Don't make no boy treat you no like how me see like how me see some artist boy treat some woman. Ladies, no a queen. And that I what this song I suggest. Me like that song for a lot of different reasons. As a matter of fact, me like the music video. See, in the beginning of the music video, 3 little youth there. And one of them I say, yo, him no want no girlfriend. Because the girl I go want him things them. You can't see say him mean from early, you know, from early what he mean. The next one I say, yo, him no want no girlfriend cause him too little. And then the star. You can see say him grew up in a good home. You can see say female mother and father teach him good. Teach him how to treat a woman like a queen. And that's exactly what him say. When him grew up, he want to treat him girlfriend like a queen.
I don't want a girlfriend. I'm too little. I don't want a girlfriend either. They want too much of my stuff. When I get a girlfriend, I'm going to treat her like a queen.
She don't ask for nothing, that's why she deserve it all. That's my God tough, but she never let us fall. Taking care of found out them losers get some fun.
Talk the truth, people. How the artist them sound. How that track here sound. Talk the truth, man. A bad song. And even though we step out of our comfort zone because this song is more of a hip-hop type song, Chaddy still know good music when him hear good music. And from him say a good music. So this how I want you to do for me. If you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, looking at the description or the comment section, you see a link. Click it and go listen the full song. Make D-Boyz and Keys know say a Chaddy Murray TV send it over there. Alright? If you watch on Instagram, me I go definitely tag D-Boyz in the post. And then you can click and go up on them profile, check out them song, cause them song I got in the bio and a bunch of cool stuff. People, they are on all major platforms. Them they on Spotify. Them they on Apple Music. Go and go check them out. Support good music. A Chaddy Murray TV send you over there. So from myself, you go over there. Me I beg you to please go over there, man, and listen to the song. Embrace the artist them. Don't wait till them get big. You know, go run and say, yo, me know the artist from a long time, you know. Go listen to them from now.
Educated herself, cow God first, now she owns something. She always focused, never also runner. Set goes and meet him, baby girl, you a stunner.
So me talk about the highly anticipated Jacure topic, you know. John was star. Jacure. Brother Prison, was it enough? Take time with the females, them, bro. Why you move so? You see me? People them attack, you know. And them say, Jacure, you always get yourself in a them position. Yeah. You see me? And let me state clearly, it is alleged that a Jacure upon the video. Alright? And Dr. Love say him. I don't know if the girl know Dr. Love or what. I don't know how Dr. Love get the voice note, cause me not get it. But right now him alone me here with it. So comes me play a snippet with him in it. But me I said, Jacure, this just go on what the end, bro. Remember say about last week or week before last year and Popcorn in the Rupins. No, either you or Popcorn really come out and tell the public what really did happen. You get what me I say? I remember say just in December last year, you and two other girls from over so in a one next Rupin. Oh, so me understand what you say no. You like importing the girl. What wrong with Jamaican girls so? But then again, that girl here sound like a Jamaican girl, but she sound like a foreign she forward from. Like a one of them Yankee girl. I don't know still, you know. But Jacure look like she love importing your vagina them. Anyway, still that nah nothing to do with me. But Jacure, take time now, bro. Alright, so people, we are gonna play a snippet of the little voice note argument, and we'll see what really take place. Listen to this.
I'm just saying, like, me this you, how me this you? You keep
they are good. And the
me there always do what me suck your cat, me do everything. Yes, me
so
there good.
So this on the phone.
No, me not shout it out on the phone. Me not shout, but me just assure you.
When I get on the phone, you come back to the money and you come back and spend time and you finish.
Alright then.
Alright then what?
Huh? You want me to come pick up the money?
Yeah, I just come to you and tell you ready to come.
I already spent money for the hotel here, so you want me to come now or come early in the morning? I better have me come.
Why wouldn't you come now? Why do you get upset because you're there?
Okay, I'm gonna come.
So how far are you from here?
I'm about like, well, my first guess me can reach it in less than 10 minutes. So it's kind of bad enough on the road.
So where your stuff come there?
My stuff's are with me in the car there. They're here. They put them in the car.
Just come to me now if you can come now. Please come. I'm in the way you're gone. I'm not trying to stress out now for the time I need.
Okay, alright.
Sure. I will see you the rest of the I said to say I'm going. No, sir.
But it's not like I already explained something to me. Tell us, I just did feel one way to come to you and say no to you after. You easily shame.
Me not feel no way of easily shame too. I did you put on left hand guy and I'm a simple guy. I'm not fix a plan just set up a trap.
What?
I just want to live money like from that.
No, it's not like me left with nobody. Me not left with him, you know. He left before me.
You say left with somebody.
Okay, so.
See, I mix me up now. I got
no.
Sure. You never say you left with nobody.
Okay, so what you say? What you say?
You left after the man left.
So why are you bringing that up? Me no know about in Ghana. Me no know what happened.
But you would have want to go without it. No, if I say I'm not I'm sorry. You're the man that I see. I'm telling you, I try to mix up.
Oh God.
You know, I use it. I'm going to know. Who going to build it?
No. Alright, me tell you what the hotel there, but me don't know what the place name like that. I think the name some, me don't remember the name cause it's not a place that's so popular like that. Me don't really know the name, but me know the way there.
That's right. Be here for the phone because it's coming in the way you can't have time at night.
Alright.
So great, man. I know that. Come on, you drive out.
Huh?
Come on, you drive out.
So if you call her back when you drive out?
Alright, come on, you have to get there.
God. Me not lay down, me not tell her, say me I try put on my clothes from my car. You call me back, me there, I try put on my clothes.
You must say, oh, you're going to struggle on the dress and something. You better let somebody put yourself, come on, man. You don't deserve my marriage, I'm a job shit, just come on, man.
Okay. Alright.
So, I'm going to move for now. I'm sleeping for now.
Let me just start up myself and I call her back.
I'm sleeping for
Let me just call her back when I don't put on my clothes.
I can't sleep on the phone.
Me not say I can't sleep on the phone, but me just say me gonna call her back when me done me and leave out. I'll call you back.
So you have somebody who you want to talk to?
Huh?
You have somebody who you want to talk to for privacy?
Not necessarily, you know, but me did I do something else on my phone. Me did I pay attention to something in the meantime. I multitask. So let me call her back and me dey on the way. It's no biggie.
Yeah, I'm kind of compared, you know, just balance what I'm doing. I'm going to talk up for the integration. So.
Yeah, but me tell you something I do say then you me I try to
come. Put on some stuff for 5 minutes. But you get the money that you can street from the one feeling get it.
So after you tell somebody like that, you know, okay, you see me no want to see me? You see me no want to see you either.
Me, I want to see a drunk like you say, because I can't what you're not going to do, you put your stay money in, you see you not turn again.
So why are you threatening me like this so that me confused about?
Your mother, big stinking pussy wall.
We are treat me so for like you feel like so me are some weak fencer. Me don't know if because me so calm, make you feel like say, me don't know you feel like seriously.
What you gonna do? You feel like there's some boy we are rapid.
Me I go talk again and me say this is alleged. Alright? Dr. Love talk plain and straight say a jacure, but me not say so. Me I say alleged. Cause I'll know the girl a talk how long and me don't know why she never say Jacure X, Y, and Z are calling there, make him respond, make we get like a clearance and understanding in it. That never hard for the mama. Anyway, still, big up yourself. Jacure, brother, know the type of girls them where you have around you that are one. Stop treat the females them like that are two. There is more something a go on in the space where we can see or in the background where we don't know about. So much girl can't forward and accuse you. If I so be the case and so much girl accuse you so, Brother, oh you bad lucky so? And oh you make it constantly for happen to you. That's why I myself watch the girl them where I go around here, you know, brother. If I saw it go. Because me now go just jump and say I saw it go. It sound like Jacure. Me not defending Jacure. But more uno fi tell me in the comment section where uno think. But me just advise Jacure say, brother, even if me could say the popcorn argument a lie, me could say the argument we go on what deal with the girl them a lie, me could say this argument a lie. Brother, too much lie argument a surround your name. So one somebody can bad lucky so. So you bad lucky if you say everybody just a tell lie on you so? I don't know. Put it in the comment section below and tell me. Jacure. Brother. May I beg you please, brother. Even though a whole heap of people don't like you and a whole heap of female kind of lose off of you, brother, you have a whole heap of women out there still love your music and still love how you deal with certain situation, brother. But don't make ego get ahead of you. Remember say you sing behind these prison walls. Remember you come back come tell we say prisoner no better rose, you know, cause me don't know cause me never go there yet. Remember you forward and tell me say yo Chaddy, prisoner no better rose. The living teeth makes you ball. So where you want to go back down there, bro? I don't know. No way I do, bro. No way I do. Zine. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. And please comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video we discussed today. Or the topics we discussed today. Not the video. Yeah, we're now going to discuss the video in our comment section. Zine. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way or the wrong way. My God.